What's going on, everybody? Was able to splash the cat for the first time in a long time. It felt like, anyway. It's been about a month. Foot's still all wrapped up, bandaged up in a boot. So I had my chaperone Kyle come with me, and we head out and we had an absolute smash fest. The reason I'm recording this is the day after had some audio problems with the original video. This time of year, it's just incredible up north. The bass fishing, when the water starts to cool, it's pretty hard to beat.
Let's see, I just formatted you. There's no way that that memory card is full. It's a 260 some gig memory card. Trying to be a YouTuber, none of my stuff wants to work with me, Kyle. It's tough. I'm still getting rigged up. Can tell I don't rig A-rigs a lot because it takes me forever. Oh! You jacked that log, man. Holy smokes, that sucker wasn't getting away.
It's all said and done. That looks like that.
Whee! Under the chin, too. Didn't even, just swiped at it. All right, we're gonna go over here. And I'm gonna drag around on this rock because I know these guys didn't catch everything that lives here. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Big football.
Oh! Flipping broke.
Come on, Mr.
Dude! How did that happen? It's 20-pound Abrazex. Must have been something with teeth, because that's a clean break.
It's a clean one.
Yeah, that's a clean break right there. Stupid tube.
Play with, like, go. Like this one. The wizard. Oh boy.
Just like that. Try to collapse that over that, and then you just thread that through. That's why I keep two scissors in the boat right there. I always lose them. Like, where the heck did it go? Oh, hey, they're both right next to each other, in case you're wondering. See, I came out here before it like froze.
Really?
And I didn't catch nearly as many. Like this time of year, you're gonna catch a lot of numbers and you're still gonna catch some good ones too. But when that water really cools down and you barely crawl this thing and it just goes boom, like you'd be amazed how hard they still hit. Got him! Got him! Yeah! Finally. Gosh, it's not big, but no. No. It's a little smallmouth. It's just a baby. Ah, ow, oh, I'm gonna let you go. You grab them and they just start shaking. Stop it, let me go.
I know, I'm just gonna hold off on my other.
That feels a little bit bigger. I mean, it's a little bit bigger.
Just a dust, right?
Oh, I love when they can barely shake like that. Come here. In the face.
You're in the snoot.
It's just a little guy.
Oh, it's getting warm already.
Yeah, it feels good. Dude, these fish are gonna start freaking chomping. Like they already are.
Yeah. That's good, maybe. That looks like maybe a trip.
Not a bad one.
That's the point.
It better not be.
That's a walleye. Nope, it's just a crappie.
Just another smallmouth. I let him have that one for a while. Hello.
You knocked that off.
Oh.
Boy, that was a lot of fun. How come you set the hook and hand me the rod?
You want to try a green pumpkin copper?
I got dark brown. About the same thing.
Game changer. Let's go around this bend here and see if I can find something to catch on the Alabama rig. You're just like everybody who owns a boat that goes fishing as a co-angler. Dude, I'm pretty dang close. When I came out with you, it's like, do I really need all this? No. But am I going to bring it anyway? Yes. You see that bite? Oh, that was cool. I let him have it for a little bit, you know? A little one. Oh! Mad deflection. Oh, and it hooked the freaking piece of wood. Fine, come here. Can I drag that whole stick here? Whew! Oh, he was way off. That was cool. Look where he's got that thing too. Nom nom. They're gonna get bigger. We're gonna catch. I need to catch one over 4, but they still bite. That one actually feels a little better. It's a little better. Better than what we were catching. Yep.
Pretty athletic there for you old hobble.
I know. Yeah, we got to put that one on the scale, I think. Check that out. One-footed. What?
So just watch that rod.
Oh yeah. Don't.
I was talking about you stepping on it.
Oh. Yeah, I already broke one rod. We don't need to do that again. What's our smallest right now? 245. We'll see. Maybe 2.5. Nope, doesn't beat it. 238. Oh, pretty one though. Not too bad. Catching a couple. Y'all having a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We are.
Any size?
Caught one that was about 17.
Okay, nice.
Not too bad.
That's good.
Better than working.
Yeah. I'll keep catching them. Oh, thanks. You too. We're gonna give it a shot. See what happens. Oh. Got him at the freaking boat, dude. Oh. Oh my gosh. No. He just swiped at it though. He didn't. Yeah. Golly.
Bigger than 245?
Yeah.
Yeah. 3.7.
Oh.
But
There was 4 or 5 of them with it.
really?
Yeah. Because something about that flip and draw power of this stupid Alabama rig. Oh, dude, look at them all over there. On the other side of that hump. Yeah.
We'll wear him out a little bit because that's a good one. Dude.
I'm monkey around down here, sir. I'm gonna go look at your little screen.
Oh, dude, that was freaking awesome.
Yeah, that was at the boat too.
Yeah, it was. $342. That's motor. Big motor. So good.
What is that one?
The chocolate peanut butter pretzel. Do you like Take Fives?
I don't mind them.
Because that's what
That
this
is.
tastes like. Their stuff is so good, dude. They're all delicious. The ingredients are like the highest rated ingredients they can put in them. Good stuff.
He's just a baby.
But he was not getting away. Look at where he's got that. Here, how big they are. They all fight. Look at that brush pile right there. Go.
There.
Yeah, there's a couple.
Where's that?
Right there. You know what's a really good feeling is when you see them all up in the tree when you throw your bait over there. You don't see them anymore. Ah! He hooked me. Come here. You don't want to be in there. There you go. Well, that's a wrap. Well, that was it, guys. Like that day was one of the best days. We ended up catching well over 50 bass. I mean, it was so much fun. And now we're up here in the Northwoods, staying at our cabin here. Me and my dad and dog Millie, just hanging out for the weekend. And yeah, it is beautiful. It's like 60 some degrees. It's never this warm here in October. So taking advantage of it, hanging out. We're gonna go watch the Badgers play. But hopefully y'all liked the video. We caught the snot out of them. It was so much fun. We're gonna get out and we're gonna do it again. And I'm gonna record it again because I'm gonna try not to have any audio issues this time. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you here real soon.